Hi, in this video we will find out what are the positive impacts of information technology in education. Technology has been a part of our daily lives that some of us can't live without it. The old-fashioned pencil and paper method of learning are still needed in the classroom. But technology introduces lots of great tools to help students learn more efficiently. Modern technology also motivates students to learn. Students can learn and have fun at the same time, which help them to stay engaged with material. It enables students to explore new subjects and deepen their understanding of new concepts. Students can work in groups or as individuals, and by using programs like Google Classroom, teachers and group members can chime in and provide feedback in the real time. Students can live edit together in Google Docs, and students have access to unlimited resources.
In a contemporary world wherein the innovation of technology was highly appreciated and considered as essential, we cannot deny the fact that the modernization has opened us to have a better and easier life. The use of information technology, especially in the new normal setup, has been our companion and guide for our education and personal use. Information technology is very crucial in some areas as it serves as our foundation of starting up new things. With the use of information technology in today's generation, we are capable of doing things beyond what we had imagined. We are able to connect with other people worldwide. It could be our friends, family, significant others, and even our acquaintances. With access to the internet and the use of electronic devices, communication is most likely possible to happen. But we should bear in mind that proper use of information technology is very crucial because its significance in the contemporary world is unmeasurable.
Guys, that's the end of our vlog.
We hope you liked our video. Please like, share, and subscribe.
Thank you for watching!